The fence measurement tool helps you quickly map out and measure where a fence will be built, so you can get a fast estimate for your next project. Before you get started, make sure the feature is turned on in your web app. Just head to the Features section of Company Settings to toggle it on. Once it's enabled, open any job and navigate to the Measurement section to find the Fence Measurement tool. The tool automatically pulls in satellite imagery based on the job address, so you can start measuring right on the property. To begin, tap anywhere on the screen to drop points and draw your fence line. Need to adjust? Just drag and drop any point to reposition it. As you build your layout, you'll see approximate measurements appear along each segment, giving you quick visibility into lengths as you go. In the top right corner, you've got a few helpful controls that allow you to recenter to your current location, switch map views, undo or redo actions, and clear your drawing to start fresh. When you're done, tap the check mark. From here, you can save and exit to return to the project later, or save and export, which creates a PDF with your measurements and stores it in the job documents. A couple quick things to keep in mind. First, these measurements don't automatically apply to measurement tokens. Second, they're designed for rough estimates, not final measurements, so you'll still want to verify before locking in your numbers. The Fence Measurement tool is a simple way to save time in the field. Your team can scope jobs faster, walk into conversations more prepared, and keep your projects moving.